gents, Melissa DiMaria here. Business planning to me is like planning a year-long road trip. It's all about why are you going? Where are you going to go? How are you going to get there? Right? What do you need to go on that trip? And what's the route? And who's going to go with you? But you would never plan a year-long trip and not have a plan for every day, knowing where you're going to go, why you're going, and where you're going to end up. That's what business planning is. It's planning a year-long road trip. I am super excited to be joining you to teach you and work with you on creating your business plan, your roadmap for next year. Please join me. I promise it will not be boring, and you will end our time together with a real plan to take you into the following year in a really great and successful way. I will see you soon.